Hello everyone. Today we will see how to calculate EOMONTH, that is end of month, in Excel. So let's start. This is the dataset we will use for this tutorial. Here we can see dates. You can give any format of date here. Okay. And here these are the instructions. And we will use the function here following this instruction. So here it is saying that end of current month. How we can uh, apply your month function to make this date at the end of current month. So first of all, EO, you are getting this, double click, then start date, I'm selecting this, then comma, then they are saying that here we have to give the number of month. Our instruction is to get the end of current month, that is we have to stay in the in the current month. So I am giving 0. If the instruction was that the end of next month, then we will give 1. Okay, that means if we have to jump in the next month, then we will uh, type 1. If we have to jump in 2 months later, then we will type 2. Okay, if we have to jump in the previous month, then we have to type -1. Okay, so we will apply this function in all of this instruction, then it will be clear to you. So you can see end of current month, that is our current month is July, and the last date of the month is 31st. So this is how it is applied. The second instruction is first of current month. Okay, so is equal to EO, double click, start date, comma, we have to stay in the current month, so I'm not going to jump, so 0. If I enter, we can see it stayed in the current month, but it is showing the end of month, but our instruction was to go to the first of current month. Okay, so we have selected this cell. We can see the formula in the formula bar. So if we subtract 30, because we are in 31st July here, if we subtract 30, then we will get 1st July. See, we are staying in the current month, and this is the first date. Previously 31st July was written here, but we have subtracted 30, then we got 1st July. Then end of next month. Okay, so I am giving this function start date, comma, so end of next month. So we have to jump to for 1 month. Okay, if we from current month to next month, that is jump for 1 month, so we are typing 1. Then okay, we can see here we have got the end of next month, because we have uh, type 1, it goes the next, and because of this end of month function, it is giving us the end date of the next month. Now 7th of next month. Okay, so EO, uh, start date, comma, then months, we have to go to the next month, that is we have to jump to 1. Okay, here we have to give, okay, okay, here we can see that 7th of next month. Okay, so we have to go 7th of next month, but by this formula we have gone next month, and because of this EO month, we have got the end date. Okay, but we have to go to 7th. So if we subtract 23, okay, 8th. Okay, so we have, maybe we have to subtract 24. See, we have achieved our result. Then 10th of 2 months later. Okay, so July, the next month is August, then September, so we have to go September 10th. Okay, how we can go? EO, uh, despite of Double clicking on this, you can also press tab from the keyboard, start, then 2 months later. So 2 months later, 2, then I'm closing this at this 30th September, but I have to go 10th. So after selecting this, we can see the formula minus 20, 10th September. Okay. Now the final one, here it is uh, saying that end of previous month. Okay. You start date, then previous month. If you want to stay in the current month, you have to give 0. If you want to go further, then 1 2 3 4, that is positive values. If you go to behind, then you have to give negative numbers. So it's just -1, because we have to go back to just 1 month, -1. So because of this -1, we will go to the month before previous month, and because of this EO month, we will get the end date. See, June is the last month, and 30th June 2023. So this is how we can turn any date to any date we need, and that is the function of EOMONTH. That's all for today. Thank you very much.